Okay, so let us see how we can convert decimal number to a binary using bitwise operators. So as an example, 4 in a decimal number is given and now we need to convert it in binary. We know how we do on paper and pen. It would be 100. How? We'll write this number 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and we try to make the decimal number. So here if I on the 4 1 and make other two 0, 2 and 1 0, that means this will give 4. For example, if I want to make 5, so how I can make 5? I can on this, off this, on this. So 4 and plus and 5. So this is how we will get, and this is nothing, just 2 to the power 0 multiplication and so on like this. And this is a binary representation of decimal number 4. These are indexes 0, 1, 2 and 2, 0. These are indexes and this is on. This is basically this 1, 0, 0. These are indexes. So, alright, so we need to convert this 4 into this using bitwise operators. Let's understand the first what is shift in this binary world, left shift and right shift. And these are two types of shift. If I say this and say, let's say this is x left shifted y, these are shift operators. So this means this. As an instance, if I do this, then 4 multiplied by 2 to the power 1, so this will be 8. And this is right shift, in which if I say same 4 right shift 2, so this would be 4 divided by 2 to the power y, that is 2, so this will be 1. So these are shift, and let's understand why we need this shift. The core concept in converting decimal to binary lies here. If we take each bit of the number in the extreme right and perform bitwise AND operation with 1 and check whether it is on or off and keep filling in the binary array. Let's understand through an example. This 4 is there and it would be written in binary in this form. So what I am saying is I am performing the shift operation and bringing the number in the extreme right. As in first case, if I do 4 right shift 2, 4 right shift 2, this one, so we'll get 4 divided by 2 to the power, that we will get 1. So this is going to come in the extreme right, and then we are going to perform AND operation with 1. So this will be 1, and then we are going to keep filling in the binary array. So I made a binary array and will fill this with 1. Now the same procedure I will do for the other one. Will perform now next to this bit. How we can perform? By doing 4 1. This would be 4 2 to the power 1. This will be 2, right? So and again perform AND operation with this AND. So this will be 2, so 1 0 and 0 1, and if I perform AND operation, this will be 0 0. So we'll fill this with 0 and so on. So this is how we are converting a decimal number to binary using bitwise. We are taking each bit at a time, bringing it to the extreme right, performing AND operation to check whether it is on or off. If it is 1, then it is on, and if it is 0, then it is off. So we'll perform AND operation with 1 to check it is 1 or 0, and then accordingly we'll fill in the binary array. Let us understand through an example this whole thing. So again, Now what we are going to do, we are going from left to right and check whether it is 1 or 0. We will start from left, we will start from MSB, bring that to extreme right, check again, will perform this. So we are going to scan. Let's start. This was 4, we are at the index 2. If we shift this 2 times, this is a right shift operator which I told. So we are going to shift, just watch how it is going to shift. This is a first shift, right? This 100 was there. Actually, this formula which I told is a direct formula, but how a shifting is done is it is done like this. It is done like this. Let's start. So first, this is a right shift operator. We'll shift this. So we have to shift right. Right means this side. So this will come here, this will come here, and this will be taken by 0. So like this. Now this is a first shift. We have to perform this twice. Again a shifting will be done, and this one will come here and 0 and 0. So yeah, now you see we successfully brought this one to extreme right. Now what the code, our procedure says, we will perform AND operation with 1. Here is 1, and result will be 1 1 1 and 0 0 will be 0. So this we are going to fill it in our binary array, which is our answer. Now we need to do for this, for these two. Again we need to go scan from left to right. Now we are done this, our index position will move to at 1, this place. Now we'll perform again, but this time just a single, because this is 1. And why this is single? Because we need to just shift it here and we will reach the extreme right. Okay, so this is one shift operation done. Now this is now here extreme right will perform AND operation with 1, and we'll see this is off, right? 0 1 and will be 0. So 0 will fill this in our binary answer array. Now again the same procedure, but this time we will be here, and that means we need to shift it 0 times. So no shifting will be done. This is already an extreme right. We'll perform and we'll fill this in. This will be 0, right? This will be 0. So we'll fill in this array answer. So this is how we are doing. Again, what we are doing, we are performing this only. We are taking each bit of the number in the extreme right. How we are taking by using the right shift operator, and then we are performing bitwise operation to check whether the number is on or off. How we are going to code, let's understand here. So here's decimal to binary will accept a decimal number, and length decide how many length of vector length of binary answer you want. For example, if you say 3 and if you pass 4 here, so this is 4, that means we will get 100. If the length was 4, we will get this. Like this we will do. So we will create a binary vector and we will start from length minus 1. Why length minus 1? Length was 3, for example. So what I'm trying to say, we'll start from here, from the MSB, that's why length minus 1. So we'll start from length minus 1 and we'll go up to 0. If I write here, this was 100 and this is 210. So we started from here and we'll go up to 0. Alright, so this is the shift, and we need to place that much. So if it is 2, that means it needs to go 2 places. So it needs to go jump 2 places to the right, extreme right. So we'll bring this here number here by this shift of this shift. So and then we will perform AND operation with 1. If this comes 1, then we will put 1. Otherwise we are going to put 0, and this we will keep doing until we are here. This was the simple explanation for decimal to binary conversion using bitwise operator. Thank you.